the metal prices, they have been on a rise, and this is for almost a month now. Let's take a look at how it's impacting the auto sector, and will the auto sector actually start seeing a price hike because of these metal prices rising? Shrishti joining in with us to talk more about that. Shrishti, should we expect more price hikes in the auto sector?
That's actually difficult to say that the companies will take the price hike or not, because for the past 1.5 years, the companies have been taking the price hikes off late. But the key concern for the auto space now is the surge in the metal prices yet again, because the metal prices were actually quite silent, range bound for the past couple of years. But now we are seeing an uptrend, and especially in the past 1 month, you will see on the screen that there has been a surge. Aluminium, copper, zinc, lead, all these prices have been rising. The biggest surge is in the aluminium and the copper prices, but the good part is that the steel, which is one of the major components for the auto space, that has been declining, at least in India. So that's a little bit of surprise. But nevertheless, let's tell you the segment-wise impact on the different commodities on the different segment. Firstly, metals, which constitute 20 to 30% as a percentage of the average selling price of the vehicles, is used the most in the passenger vehicle and commercial segment. The reason is very simple, that because these are large vehicles, then these metals are used in a heavy quantity. But steel, mostly used in the commercial and the farm equipment segment, is actually is 4 to 19% of their average selling price. So a decline in that price is a little bit of respite for both of these companies. But on the flip side, look at the 10% surge in aluminium. That's actually concerning for the two-wheeler and the farm equipment manufacturers, because that actually constitutes 4 to 8% in percentage of the average selling price in the range term. But the higher end of that is used for the two-wheeler and the farm equipment companies. Copper, which is actually 2% of the average selling price in the terms of their usage, is used the most in the EVs, and that's why these EV companies can have some cost pressure. So that's the impact. And we have also got you the sensitivity analysis of this. So 1% change in the metal prices as a basket actually impacts the margins of the company at an average of 14 basis points. And that's what the brokerages reports are highlighting. So the surge in metal prices is indeed negative for the auto companies, could impact the margins going ahead. But for now, the respite in the steel prices is something that is the sector is taking respite in that. So that's the update coming in from the auto space. Back to you.